Hello everyone, welcome to another GoHighLevel video tutorial. Now in this GoHighLevel video tutorial, I will show you how to add sub-affiliates in your GoHighLevel account. Now before we get started, you can get a 30-day free trial on GoHighLevel if you click the link down below. You will need, because if you want to go and if you want to do this, you will need a paid GoHighLevel account. So again, let's go and let's switch to our sub account. So we want to switch to our sub account because in order to add a sub affiliate in GoHighLevel, you will need to add them within your sub account. So you go here to Gold's Gym. This is one of our sub accounts. And as you can see right here, what we can do is, let's ignore this. We go to the marketing section, and on the marketing section, you will have affiliate manager. So click on the affiliate manager and click on the affiliate. Here, once you click on the affiliate, you will be able to go here and you will be able to add a new affiliate. Now, if you have multiple affiliates already, you would also be able to add sub-affiliates down below. So this will depend on what your ecosystem looks like within GoHighLevel, but you will be able to go here and add a new affiliate, as you can see. Now, once you add a new affiliate, once you have an affiliate that you added, you would be able to also add a sub-affiliates down below. Here, somewhere around here, it will be once you add multiple affiliates. However, since we don't have any affiliates, we cannot actually go and add a sub-affiliate. But you would be able to do it once you add this first couple of affiliates within right here, and then you would be able to also add sub-affiliates as well. So that's pretty much it. It's a very short tutorial. It's a very straight to the point tutorial. Again, if you want, you can get a 30-day free trial with a link down below on GoHighLevel, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.